अभी कुछ दिन पहले की बात है. My 5-year-old girl tripped over a rock in the garden and came to me crying as if it were the end of the world. Trust me, drama runs in my family. Anyway, I kissed her boo-boo and poof, दर्द गायब. तो क्या मेरी पपियों में जादू है? अगर होता तो मैं पेटेंट नहीं करवा लेता. But no, it was no जादू. It was the placebo effect in action. चलो इस माइंड ट्रिक की साइंस को समझते हैं. Now, before you write off my puppy story as pure imagination, just hear me out. The placebo effect is a real, documented scientific phenomena. In simple terms, it's your brain convincing your body that a fake treatment is actually helping you get better. It all started with an ingenious observation by Dr. Henry Beecher in the 1950s. He noticed that about 1/3 of his post-surgery patients reported pain relief even after a saline injection alone. No painkillers needed. That early clue led scientists to dig deeper into what belief can do. Later studies using modern technology like fMRI and open-label trials proved that the placebo effect is not imagination. It's measurable brain chemistry. You see, when you believe that something will help you, हमारा ब्रेन कुछ न्यूरोकेमिकल्स लाइक एंडोर्फिन्स, डोपामिन और सेरोटोनिन को रिलीज करता है. थिंक ऑफ देम एज योर ब्रेन्स इंटरनल फार्मेसी. ये लोग साथ मिलकर हीलिंग को एक्सेलरेट करते हैं. प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट का सबसे कॉमन और वेल नोन यूज होता है ड्रग डिस्कवरी में. रिसर्चर्स डिवाइड वॉलंटियर्स इनटू 2 ग्रुप्स. ग्रुप ए को रियल ड्रग मिलता है, while group B gets an identical pill without the drug in it. And no one, including the patients and the researchers, know who got what. If both groups improve equally, इसका मतलब हमारी मेडिसिन प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट से बेहतर परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रही and it fails the test. So far so logical, right? But science, it loves a plot twist. What if the patient knows that the pill is fake and still feels better? A migraine study just tested that. One group got real medicine, one got a placebo but was told upfront that it's fake, and one got nothing. And the result? Even those who knew that they were in the placebo group reported half the relief of real medicine. Why? Because the very ritual of taking pill signals the brain that the relief is on the way. कितना वाइल्ड है नहीं? तो क्या इसका मतलब है मैं दवाई छोड़ के सिर्फ बिलीफ पे चल सकता हूँ? नहीं. Here are 4 reasons why. Number 1. Placebo works on symptoms and not underlying causes. It can reduce pain, fatigue, nausea, sleep issues and mild anxiety. लेकिन ये fractures, infections, tumors और diabetes को ठीक नहीं कर सकता. Number 2. It can be a decent support system but not a substitute for real medicine. Think of placebo like your brain's boost mode. It may help, लेकिन ये actual medicines जैसे insulin, surgery, chemo और antibiotics को replace नहीं कर सकता. Number 3. Not everyone responds. Only about 30 to 60% of population can experience the placebo effect. Whether you'll experience it depends on your belief, personality, and even your doctor's attitude. For instance, your optimistic friend might feel amazing after a placebo pill, but your skeptical colleague might need that Combiflam after all. Number 4. Real medicine gives measurable results. Real medicine has a dosage and a mechanism that we understand. Placebos, on the other hand, are wildly unpredictable. But here's the kicker. Together, they are a power couple. Placebos can boost recovery, improve mood, and even reduce the drug dose. When science meets hope, healing accelerates. We have seen how belief can ease pain in the lab. But you don't need a white coat trial to use it. Your brain already runs on tiny rituals that whisper, "You're healing." First, your daily routines. A bit of yoga, a decent breakfast, and even 5 minutes of stillness. These patterns tell your brain that system reboot is in progress. Next, the way you talk to yourself. Self-kindness isn't fluff. It literally lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Write, breathe, and remind yourself that you've got this. And finally, connection chemistry. Chai with friends, mom ke haath ka khana, a pet's hug, each one releases oxytocin and endorphins, your natural painkillers. That's the real magic. Placebo effect कोई trick नहीं है. ये brain का hope system है. Daily rituals, self-talk and connection together unlock your mind-body link. Science plus mindset is equal to real healing. So next time, जब a green smoothie makes you feel like a superhero, maybe that's just your brain doing its thing. Placebo sounds cool, right? Dimag over dawai, body healing itself. Sounds like a desi papa mantra if you ask me. But sometimes this can be dangerous. Overhyping a placebo can actually cause more harm than good. You have probably heard of influencers saying, all you need is a positive mindset. Well, try saying, just think positive to someone battling cancer or clinical depression. That's not motivation, it's cruelty disguised as optimism. It makes patients feel guilty, like maybe I'm just not trying hard enough. And sometimes it does worse. It delays treatment. A 2017 JAMA Oncology study found that cancer patients who relied only on alternative medicine had a 2.5 times higher risk of death compared to those who took standard treatment. Kyun? Because placebo does feel good until the real problem grows worse. Belief का power real है, पर बीमारी भी real है. So हाँ, placebo is awesome, but it's no magic. Use it as a booster, never as a replacement for evidence-based medicine. Green juice is great for wellness, but if you've got pneumonia, you don't fight it with turmeric lattes and manifestation. You fight it with antibiotics and actual science. It's that simple. So, the next time your self-care ritual makes you feel unstoppable, that's your brain's internal pharmacy at work. Enjoy the boost, but never forget to respect science. Got another brain hack you'd like to decode? Drop it in the comments below. I read all of them. And if this blew your mind, or at least tickled it a little bit, hit like and subscribe for more. Stay curious, stay quirky, and I'll see you in the next one.